In this video, you'll learn how to turn off two-step verification in Gmail. We'll walk through each part of the process slowly and clearly so you know exactly what's happening on your screen and why you're doing it. To get started, open Gmail in your web browser, just like you normally would when checking your email. Make sure you're signed in to the account where you want to turn off two-step verification. If you use multiple Google accounts, double-check that the correct inbox is open, since these changes apply only to the account you're currently using. Once Gmail is open, look toward the upper right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture, or if you haven't set one, a colored circle with your initial. Click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu that shows which account you're using and may list other accounts if you're signed into more than one. From this menu, you'll see an option that says something like Manage Your Google Account. Go ahead and click that. This will take you out of the regular Gmail view and into your main Google account settings page. You might notice several tabs or sections here, such as Home, Personal Info, Data and Privacy, and so on. Next, look for the section labeled Security. It's usually listed on the left-hand side of the screen as a menu item. Click on Security to open all of the security-related settings for your account. This is where Google manages things like passwords, recovery options, and sign-in methods, including two-step verification. Once the security page loads, scroll down until you find the area related to signing into Google. In that section, you should see an option called two-step verification. There will be a status next to it, which should show that it's currently turned on. Click on two-step verification to open the detailed settings for this feature. Because these are sensitive security settings, Google may ask you to verify that it's really you making these changes. You might be prompted to enter your password again or to complete a code sent to one of your existing verification methods. Follow whatever prompt appears on your screen, and once you've confirmed your identity, you'll be taken to the two-step verification settings page. On this page, you'll see information about how your two-step verification is currently set up, including devices, phone prompts, or backup methods. What you're looking for here is a button or link that says Turn Off. Click on Turn Off to begin disabling two-step verification for this account. After you click Turn Off, Google will usually show a confirmation message explaining that your account will no longer require a second step when you sign in. This is a good moment to pause and make sure you really want to proceed, since turning this off makes signing in easier but also less secure. If you're sure, confirm your choice by clicking the option to finalize turning it off. Once you've confirmed, two-step verification will be disabled for your Gmail account. From now on, when you sign in, you'll only need your password. It's a good idea to make sure your password is strong and unique, since it will now be the main layer protecting your account. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same security settings and turn two-step verification back on at any time.